Morning everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So today is the official unboxing of the Terra Resonator Plus. I am ultra excited to share this with you because, like its little brother, the TR Mini, the TR Plus is an absolute monster. So today, let me take it out of the packaging quickly, and we're gonna take a look at this guy. Okay, this is the Terra Resonator Plus. This is the third installment of the Terra Resonator line, and if you watch the mini TR manifestation video I did, in there I alluded to this guy a couple times, so it may come as a surprise or it may not. This guy is really big and really heavy. So, you'll notice the Terra Resonator Plus, we have the symbology for earth, air, water, and fire all the way around. With that said, let's go ahead and open this guy up so you can really see what's going on in here. With the Terra Resonator Plus, we are introducing a third gemstone, which I'll get into in a second. So this big bag right here contains something unbelievable. This is a 8-inch by 8-inch quartz crystal glass, okay? 8-inch by 8-inch. If you are a Terra Resonator Mini owner, let me just kind of show you the size comparison there. It's an absolute monster. I don't know what else to say yet. So I'll go ahead and open this up in a second. And I want to show you the actual unit itself. So this is the Terra Resonator Plus, and the way I designed this is kind of interesting. Instead of creating a unit that was really truly massive, what we did was we made the unit so that everything sits underneath the quartz crystal glass on this particular unit, and it has a nice flush top. So we're going to go around this pretty slowly. So on the bottom, you'll notice that I have 4 8.81 millimeter wide holes that come right up into the inverted pyramid. This allows for massive transfer of earth energy into the 4 moldavite chambers, okay? And as we go around the unit, you'll notice a lot of the detail on the front here is really absolutely gorgeous. This is the true name, the true symbol for earth, air, water, and fire. And if we look at the top of this, we have a tremendous amount of stuff going on. So here we have the 4 inverted pyramids for moldavite. In the center, we have a massive inverted pyramid with the 4 true names again: earth, air, water, and fire. And you'll notice that there are energetic conduits running the full length. Now, what's new in here are these 4 center placements, okay? They're really just cones, okay? And you'll notice 8 energy channels leading into the moldavite chamber, okay? So what is this new stone? Well, I can't pronounce it, so I'm going to give it a shot. It's called lapis lazuli. It is an absolute masterpiece, energetic complement to the jet and the moldavite. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how this guy works. So first up, we have our classic piece of beautifully polished jet. This guy sits right in the middle. Next up, we have 4 very large pieces of moldavite. These are much larger than in the other 2 units because this plate that you're about to see on here takes a huge amount of energy to get it vibrating, so the other 2 stones have to complement it. And then we have the 3rd gemstone, and this is lapis lazuli. This is the masterpiece, part of the crown jewel in the Terra Resonator Plus. And these very simply just pop into these holes. Now, what I want you to understand something, folks, is although the TR itself is manufactured, I hand pick every piece that goes in everything in the TR line. I source this material from within the United States. I do not go anywhere else because, as you know, there is a lot of fake moldavite on the market. Some calculations are as much as 90%. There's a lot of fake everything out there, and I have secured suppliers that are very much in their integrity and can, guarantee me the amount of material that I need to have these placed. So these have all been hand sourced by myself. Let me go ahead. And then, of course, we have this massive quartz crystal plate, which just sits beautifully right over the top. And the design is basically, it's maybe I think 0.5 inches better. Longer and wider than the regular Terra Resonator, but it just comes together perfectly. And I have not done any testing on this yet. All I can say that is right now, when I place my hands over it, you just feel the energy coming off it. This product is a masterpiece. It is an absolute masterpiece. And this is the crown jewel to the Terra Resonator lineup. Now, I have a couple of these going out into the wild for some testing, and we'll be doing some testing videos over the next week. The release date for this guy is probably a good week to 2 weeks out. There's still a tremendous amount of work that needs to be done by the MDM team that will support this launch. But this is the latest in the Terra Resonator lineup. Folks, if you've been waiting for this, they're coming. If you own a TR Mini, if you own the TR, the middle of the line, you know what kind of power output comes out of these guys, okay? What you don't know is what comes out of this. This is the pinnacle of the Terra Resonator technology right here. And this is coming to a reality near you. I'll be getting some videos out over the next week. Stay tuned, folks. This is going to be absolutely amazing. I honor the space in which you exist. Put your attention right on the middle. Here it goes. That is insane. Love it. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.